Hey guys, Steve here from Off Grid. We're gonna show you what I was telling you about yesterday on the groundhog situation, the groundhog control. Here, I'm gonna use this peaceful salad. I've been eating watermelon. Groundhog, as I say, I use watermelon essence oil. But anyhow, I'm gonna show you just exactly the way I set it. Set this groundhog traps up. I picked some squash already this morning. Holy cow, there's a big one I didn't get. Let's get that sucker out of there. Get him picked. I missed this and look at there. Okay, time to get this guy picked. He's getting too big already. There we go, look at there. Nice one. I picked squash this morning already. See, we got some pumpkins in there turning, but we got that big fat groundhog killed off yesterday. I am going to show you in detail the way I set these up. Some of you may not need it, but there's more squash and I'll pick them when I'm done. See, they killed the zucchini plant pretty much. I mean, it may bounce back. We get water and everything's so dry. We've drought 2 or 3 years in a row here. We've had drought. Anyhow, let's get over here and show you what I'm talking about. Don't fill it with fluff. Here's the sal's leftover. Let's go out here where I caught that yesterday. And it actually had melted down onto the ground. I couldn't believe it that quick. I never had them melt down that quick. Anyhow, I explained it to you guys about covering the bottoms. I do. Works well for me. I don't know if everybody does it or not. But anyhow, I'm going to roll this up and reset this dude right here just like this. Like I said, it's a Williams live trap. I pick a lot of long grass. Of course, I try to keep an open trail, into the cage, of course, But I just cover the bottoms with vegetation and dry grass so they don't feel that wire under their feet. It's lots of food this time of year, so you got to be right on location, but of course your bait's got to be good. And for me, they've always really liked watermelon and watermelon essence. So see, just cover the bottom in there. Cover it all the way up, all the way back. I'm going to tip it up. I'm trying to film this and show you guys at the same time. It's a little difficult to do, but anyhow, cover your pan and everything. Cover your treadle up. Cover the bottom with your grass real good so they don't feel the wire under their feet. I'm going to throw this back in the very back behind the treadle. Make sure it doesn't stop the treadle from going down, but there, it's good. And all that treadle and everything should be covered with the grass on the location where the trail are, where the groundhog's been coming and eating and everything else. And that will catch another groundhog if there's one here. Again, you can see the vines they've stripped. It's going to make it kind of hard for the photosynthesis on the pumpkins, but again, we've had such drought for 2 or 3 years. And we've been watering the pumpkins. But, we've got a 1/4 acre of pumpkins. We just can't really water the whole things. We try, we water them some, but, it is what it is. So anyhow, the reason we got all this grass in here is because we've got 50, 60 pumpkins in here and the vines stretch everywhere. And if you go walking through there, you crush the vines and they die off. So that's the reason that we've let this, we've let the weeds get tall in there. Doesn't really matter to the pumpkins. They don't care about it at all. But anyhow, that's just explaining for you guys. Hope it helped you some. Watermelon's a good bait. Friend of mine, Pete Askins, likes sweet corn a lot and peaches. For me, watermelon is really good. And again, I've got a processed bait I make for groundhogs too, and it's a paste bait. It works really well also, especially this time of year. I've talked about it in my videos that I did out of the Trapper and Predator collar many years ago, and I still sell those. We did Pro Coon snaring, Pro Fox snaring, and Pro Animal Damage Control ADC. You know, I'm retired now. Mostly what I do is garden and take care of my 11-year-old Sal. Any questions? You know, we welcome you. We hope that you'll subscribe and sign up. Give us a like. And if we can interest you in any animal damage control DVDs, we've got them. We used to market them through Keith Winkler at Sterling Fur and M&M Furs and lots of other places. But, you know, I just sell them now for Sal's college. So anyhow, guys, stop back and see us. Give us a like and subscribe. I'm Steve. Have a great day.